Hello guys, so I'm sure you guys must have seen this tutorial. If you haven't seen it, that means you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel. So rectify that issue by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Just click on that red subscribe button below this video and subscribe so you don't keep missing out on the videos that I upload. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I fixed my hair for this tutorial. So if you want to see how I did that, please keep watching and I'll see you in my next video. So this is what my hair looks like. They are in twists right now, and these twists are about 2 days old. I'm filming this video on a Sunday and I put my hair in twists on Friday, so approximately 2 days. So now I'm just going to be putting the twists behind my head in like a bun. I just packed them together and used a rubber band to hold it. After that, I'll begin to unravel the twist in front. I did this one after the other, so I'm just unraveling the first one now. I'm careful so that I don't scatter the curls that the twist made. After the first one, I moved over to the second one. I continued this way. I just kept going from one to the other. As I was loosening my twist, I was checking to see if the hair I have unraveled was enough. If it wasn't enough, I'll go back in and loosen more. You can get creative with this and just do whatever you want with yours. I had a particular image in mind. I wanted to get like a galaxy effect, so that was what I had in my mind when I was going for this video. So this is what it looks like. This is like the finished look. It's very simple, quick and easy to do. The only thing that takes time is putting your hair in twists, which you can do days before. So that's it for this video, guys. If you liked watching, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.